Hello and welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So we got some hand-on images of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 in real life. As you can see on the screen here, this is the image which is been going on, and this is a hands-on image of Z Fold 7. It looks nice, it looks wider, which is rumored actually, but at the same time the difference is like, yeah, the camera ring is similar to S25 series and stuff like that. There's a bulk and it's wider. It would be pretty handy, but the thing is there's no hinge, as you can see on the screen here, maybe because of the angle as such, but there's no hinge as of now. So we still don't know whether it is Z Fold 7 or something else, but relatively it's pretty nice looking and I don't have any issues with it. And since it is going to be a thin phone by Samsung, we need to keep in mind that it can break off pretty easily, but for that Samsung is actually planning to increase the not increase but to change the frame, not just frame but the inside components, which will be made of titanium. Still don't know whether it is going to be like how S25 series is made of, like the exoskeleton is made of titanium as such. But yeah, it is, Samsung is doing something. And also they are removing the digitizer, but they are introducing a new type of a digitizer inside the Z Fold 7 so that any S Pen can work on it. Basically, S Pen needs to be charged and it can write on it. Still don't know what they are bringing into the table, but yeah, it looks pretty nice. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about this news? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section down below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.